What's on it? Yeah, bro.
Down south and strapped up, car all black, yes, wrapped up and it's gassed up. We ready to roll straight out of church. Lord bless my soul. You can step to me if you'd like to meet him, but I'd keep your distance if you like breathing. We got more rounds and it keeps increasing. We give them out, you best believe it.
Sir, I cannot see you. It's too dark in my visor. Gonna turn your headlights on early this morning. It's a little dark. It's probably not as dark for you guys, because you got that GoPro, man. Like, look, I just saw that car. I think it's like invisible. I have a tinted visor. It's just dark out here, okay? Anyway, what's up, everybody? It's your boy, Ride with Dagner. Just kidding, it's Danger. If you had to double check my username, you aren't paying attention. Or you're dyslexic, and that's just not cool, bro. Fix yourself. Could you imagine being in like high school lit class and you're reading something wrong and the teacher's just like, you're dyslexic, get out of my classroom. And that's why I can't be a teacher. Yeah, you put that blinker on, Mr. Left Blinker Man. Mr. I'm gonna turn left. Advertise it to the whole world like we care. Fun fact, I have fettuccine alfredo in my backpack right now. I'm not kidding, I really do. It's my lunch today. I also have some other goodies in my backpack that I'm not going to talk about.
Oh yeah.
It's a gun, it's probably a gun. It's a little chilly this morning, not gonna lie. I have a jacket on, so am I cold? Yeah, I'm so cold. I'm just kidding, I'm a tough man. I don't get cold. I know it sounds like I have a cold right now, but that's because the pollen's out and my allergies are messed up. It's a real story, I'm not even kidding. It messed with my throat bad this year. I woke up and like couldn't even talk. It's a little better now, but it's still, I don't sound the same, at least to myself. I know you guys are probably like, yeah, I know, you sound better now, loser. I know, I'm sorry. But it's supposed to get up to 80 degrees. That was a weird transition. Anyway, it is supposed to get up to like 80 today, so I thought I would take the bike and just kind of suffer my coldness right here in the morning. Yeah, that's right, you turn left, Mr. Left Blinker Man, trying to turn. Yeah. Well, that was fun. My bike was much warmer in the garage this morning. I forgot it doesn't heat up well when it's cold outside. That sounded obvious. I'm sorry. Some of you know what I'm talking about, but for the rest of you, that just sounded dumb. I promise, it makes sense. It makes so much sense, it makes dollars. Someone's burning something. I can smell it. It smells like Smokey McSmokerson. Smokey McSmokeface. Smokeface McGee. The movie. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna get secondhand campfire smoke. Yeah, use that blinker, boy. I wish there was a fuel gauge on here. Because, like, I keep getting on the bike after not being on it for a little while and, like, not remembering the last time I fueled up. And I just get range anxiety, you know what I'm saying? Even though I'm only going, like, a few miles to work and back, but still. What if I want to take it somewhere else? I just don't know if I have the gas. And I don't want to stop and fill up a full tank. I don't want to be that guy. I wonder how often that happens. People are like, I should probably fuel up before I go. And then they get there and they open the tank and it's already full. I'm just rambling. I'm sorry, guys. Where are my manners? How are you guys doing today? Awful, I hope. I'm just kidding.
Or am I?
What's on it? Yeah, bro. Yeah, sure. Are you ready for some railroad crossing, boys? Here it comes. Oh, we're gonna take it slow because they're braking real nice. Oh, yeah. That wasn't too bad today. Alright, well, that's all I got. So, until next time, I'll catch you guys later. Always remember, Country roads, take me home. To the place I belong? Yeah. Ooh, nice vet, bro. Look, he's got the top down. He knows what's up. It's a nice, brisk, cool morning. And he's dealing with it like me. Oh, is that a Mad Black G-Wagon? Oh, shot it. Oh, that's sick, bro. I dig it. Oh, look at that beautiful sunrise, ladies and gentlemen. If you can't see it, oh well, sucks to be you. That is it, though. I'm gonna go now. For real this time. But probably not. I'll probably have something after the little outro here. Anyway, peace out, guys. I think I'll park here. Yeah. Just like the good Lord intended. Oh, I forgot to put it into neutral first. Oh well. Oh man. Look at that there beautiful gold dome. Yeah boy. Alright, peace out. Bye.